Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a stunning piece that brings together modern style, comfort, and function. This is the CHITA Genuine Leather Swivel Accent Chair. Whether you're looking to elevate your living room, bedroom, or reading nook, this chair makes a statement the moment you see it. This chair is upholstered in genuine leather, and you can instantly feel the premium quality. It's soft, smooth, and has a rich, natural grain that only real leather can offer. The craftsmanship is very impressive. Every seam and stitch is clean and precise, giving the chair a refined, high-end look. Now, let's talk about what makes this chair really special, the hidden swivel mechanism. The base is beautifully made of wood and blends seamlessly into the design. But what you don't see is the hidden swivel system that lets you rotate smooth and effortlessly. With a simple turn, you can shift your view, whether it's a TV, window view, or a cozy conversation, all without moving the chair.
Yeah. Oh, you're here already? Oh, wow. Hold on, let me see. It's the yellow... Yep, yellow house. I see you right now, you're pulling up. Okay, I'll be out in a minute. All right, I'll see you soon. All right, bye-bye.
Now, the first thing you'll notice is when you sit down, is how comfortable this chair feels. It's filled with premium 2.0 high-density foam, which gives you the perfect balance between softness and support. The cushions are thick and plush, so whether you're lounging with a book, watching a movie, or just enjoying your morning coffee, it feels incredible. Even after long periods of sitting, the foam holds its shape beautifully. It doesn't flatten out or lose its structure over time. The back cushion gives you great lumbar support, making it easy to sit comfortably for hours. Another thing that I love about this design is it fits in any style room decor. The modern silhouettes and genuine leather finish make it versatile. It works beautifully in both contemporary and classics. You can style it with a throw pillow, a small side table, or even next to a floor lamp for that perfect reading corner. And that smooth swivel function is something you'll appreciate every day. It's quiet, it's stable, and it feels effortless. No squeaks, no stiffness, just a seamless glide. The hidden 360-degree base is really what gives the chair an elegant, clutter-free look while keeping it super functional. Overall, the CHITA Genuine Leather Swivel Accent Chair is the perfect blend of comfort, quality, and modern design. It's not just furniture, it's a piece that makes your space feel more inviting and elevated. If you're looking for a durable, stylish, and incredibly comfortable accent chair, this one is definitely worth checking out. You can find it right now on Amazon. I'll link it below in the description. The CHITA Genuine Leather Swivel Accent Chair, designed for comfort, built to impress. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.